up, everybody? I'm Jamie. This is my channel. Welcome back. I'm doing a random video today. If you see some stuff back here, pretend like you don't see it. Pretend like you don't see that broken clock. Because I'm doing some rearranging a little bit here and there. But anyways, since Christmas, I done took all my stuff down. And just regular stuff. I thought I'd put my brushes on display, Jeffree Star mirrors, and, you know, all that fun stuff. So anyways, what I'm here today for is I'm going to show you an Ulta haul. I went there for like one thing and came out $85 later. Whoopsie daisies. So this might be the last day of my life. My husband might kill me. Just kidding, he never would. He don't care. But anyways, let's start with the cheapest thing I got. I got this Ozu Bear Black Space Pore Carrying Mask. $1. There was more. I should have got the rest of them, but you never know. I like to put masks on at night. Like, I don't know. It's just a thing. I got, and a lot of this stuff is like affordable, so I'm like, how did I get to $85? It's Ulta. But anyways, I'm distracted. But anyways, I really wanted this because I could wear this all the time. Hopefully it's different than the gel liners that I have, like the color. Hopefully it's like the gel liners, but it's like a different color, because I do have brown and some red based things, but I really like brown based things. Obviously my lips, but here, let's see if I can open it. Like, why do they make things where you can't open them? I mean, I got nails on right now, but that shouldn't affect anything, seeing how I pretty much wear nails. Well, I did wear nails for a long time. I don't know, I might already have this color. Okay, it's like a brown, but it's not as gel-ish. It's a little rough, but it's not in a bad way. It's, I don't know. It seems like nice, so maybe I'll just put some on right now. I've been liking to put the, like a nude on the inner rim of my waterline, but I also like brown too, so, I don't know if it's anything's coming off. Maybe it's too cold. I mean, I just did come in from outside. I don't know. I'll work with this and see if I like it. If I don't, I'll be going back to get my money, girl. Yeah, for reals. So that is the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Liner in Coffee. Where's my receipt? Then I can tell you how much these were. Girl, I don't know. Oh, it was $4. I mean, that's not a lot, but that's not a little tiny. I mean, we'll go on. Just tell me to shut up. I really wanted the Sky High mascara from Maybelline, but evidently no place in this town has it, so there's that. And so I went to all these places and they ain't got it. Like, and they don't have the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. Wanted that. Nobody has that, so not very happy. But anyways, so I decided to get some mascara from e.l.f. Lashes Out Loud, $6 for this. I do like e.l.f. They've really stepped their game up, so I ain't opposed to buying e.l.f. stuff because it's good makeup. Yeah, it really is. It really is. I'm trying to open it without ripping it, but that seems like something that isn't a thing anymore. You can't just open something without ripping the freaking shit out of it. Sorry for my language, but look, see? Can't open it. Can't, dude. I can't. I should do this before I come on here, but this is part of real life, y'all. But it's a pretty little package. It's slightly cheapy, but it's, you know, it's e.l.f. They, you know, go for quality instead of packaging. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know if I agree with that. I don't think I like this, but we'll give it another chance. If I don't like it, girl, it's going back. Don't care. I ain't trying to just waste my money. Nah, I'm not trying to waste it. Then I got an e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick, and that was $5, and this is in rose gold. And once again, I gotta rip the packaging to shreds before I can open it. Hopefully it's cute. Right now, on the 3 e.l.f. things that I opened, I'm kind of like, I don't know, like a little bit disappointed, but it is what it is. Ooh, this packaging is like metal. Okay. I don't know why I got a shadow stick. Oh, that's pretty. I could put that on the inner corner. Okay, I like that, I think. I think I like that. I don't know. I think I'm having buyer's remorse right now. But that's what it looks like. I don't know. I wonder if you can shear that out and use it as a highlighter. I ain't going nowhere, so. I don't know, is it too dark? I like multi-use things. I mean, it's fine. I don't know, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm not saying these products are bad. They aren't in any way, but you know, you have a certain expectation of what you want in a product, and they're kind of not meeting them so far, but not a big deal. Not a big deal. I got a lot of e.l.f. stuff, dude, and it still came to $85, girl. What? But anyways, I got this e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Spray, and that was $10. It's got a little ball in there. I think this is gonna be fine. I'm just gonna bust it like this. Girl, what the fuck? Okay. I don't know. But it better smell good. I trust that it works. I really do. Oh, that smells good. You know what it reminds me of? If you guys ever had the body spray called Bombshell Summer, something about this reminds me of it. It's not strong, but there's like a hint of it or something. Yeah. All right, I like this. It smells good. Look at the little wings. But yeah. It says, lock in your look down from AM to PM with a lightweight makeup setting spray suited for all skin types. Infused with green tea, cucumber, and aloe. No, nourishing skin and keep makeup looking fresh as though you just apply it. Touch-ups are now a thing of the past. Okay, because I got that because I do have the Pretty Fresh one, and it's been fine. I've been using it lately, but I felt like when I was using it at first, like I was getting too dewy because my skin is combination. I have like a lot of dry skin on my nose. I'll get dry patches here and there. T-zone is oily and slightly oily. It just really depends on the weather and what's going on. But so I do like this. I use it sparingly because I'm afraid I'm gonna look too dewy and like a grease ball, but I don't. Oh, I have it. Maybe not where it's like somewhere where you're like, I don't know, whatever. But anyways, I got another thing of Pretty Fresh, my go-to foundation. I love it. It matches me really nicely. Wonder if I got the same one. I think I did. Yeah, girl, I got the same one because this is a nice color for me. It is 20F3 Light 33C. I don't know if there's a name. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, this Light 33C. I like it because it has pink undertone. I'm a pink undertone type of person, so this is really good. This one has, I mean, it's not really full, but it's not really empty, but I don't want to be without because that's the only thing I've been using. It looks good. It looks good. I don't have the best skin. I know on camera it looks really good. It is good skin, but it's not like perfect. Like I said before, I have larger pores. I mean, I know you can't tell, but, and then like I said, I get dry skin around my nose. But yeah, I really do like this. I really recommend it. I wear it on the daily basis. So if you're wanting to pick that up, I think that is $16. Yeah, it's $16 for that. and it's not bad because it's lasted me a long time, but I'm getting a little nervous because mine's getting a little, it's getting a little low. So I want to be able to have my backup and not have to wear anything else. I do have these Nyx Born To Glow, and they're not good. They're okay. Before I started using that, I was using this a lot, but I feel like the Pretty Fresh is better. This is $9.99, that's $16.99, but I think that's better. I don't know. I do like this, so that's a good alternative if you want to spend a little less, but it is what it is. And then I got me a sample size of MAC's Velvet Teddy. I hear a lot of things about this lipstick. I think, I have it on right now. I got a darker lip liner on because that's what I like. I like that 90s look. But yeah, it's called Velvet Teddy by MAC. It's cute. It's just like a sample size. And what I think I said what it was. I think it's, where is it? It was $12, so I mean, that's probably the most ridiculous thing that I got. It's nice, but $12 for that. And then I got the Muriel Amor Caliente cheek eyeshadow and cheek palette pressed pigment by Too Faced, I think. Is it Too Faced? Yeah. I don't know. It was 25 bucks, so could I resist? No, I could not. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what brought my total up. But like, it's $25, you know? So it's pretty. It's raised up here and it has texture. Like, it's like glitter, but it's not glitter. It's kind of, I don't know, whatever. But it's it's really pretty. That's the only reason. I probably have something similar to this, but I don't know. This one spoke to me. I really like that. I don't think I have anything quite like that. They're just a little bit different to me than anything I have, but kind of the same. But it's really cute, and it was only 25 bucks, so I picked it up. So that is what I got. My little haul that I didn't even expect to even, you know. I expected to go in there and get my e.l.f. situation and my Maybelline situation, and they had neither one of them, so. But anyways, yeah, that's my little haul that I shouldn't have had. But to my defense, it is my birthday week, so right, is it? Yeah, because my birthday's on Sunday and this is Tuesday, so the whole week is my birthday. So this, I'm gonna say, is a birthday gift to myself, from me to me, from my husband to me, whatever. But anyways, I think I'm gonna do another video of a total different type here because I have some things to say. So anyways, hopefully you like this haul. It's random. I spent $85.79. So anyways, if you like this video, make sure you go down and touch the like button. Make sure you follow all of my social medias, and I will catch you on the flip side. Bye.